I guess it's gonna hurt my pride. Time for me to swallow my pride a little bit. And I'm reaching out to all you Prime drivers and see who can help me out. I'm just kidding. Y'all know I give the company Prime a ton of crap, but we all can help each other out and learn something from each other. So Prime drivers, this is your chance to teach me something. So as you know, I just bought this used Prime truck. Incidentally, so far, I'm loving this truck. It took me, I don't know what you guys had on the over-under on me getting tired of this Detroit assurance thing with the collision avoidance and the lane deviation thing. I do have the switch here to turn off the lane departure warning. I don't know, it turns it off maybe like 10 minutes. I haven't figured out how long yet. I don't pay attention. And then, because every time you're, your construction zone, the white lines move and you're through the radio, And then the collision avoidance thing, it's only tried to slam on the brakes on me twice in 3 days, which I don't know how often it does that, but that's enough for me, because neither time, I think it was picking up a bridge overpass, something, or I can't imagine it would pick up a shadow on the ground from a bridge overpass, but what do I know? So we'll figure out what to do with that. But in the fuel mileage, it has come down like I thought it was gonna, because no super singles. I probably drive a little faster, and then I hit some. I went across I-64 through West Virginia and Virginia, and for you guys that have done that, and I was heavy, like 80,000 pounds, so that really sucked down my fuel mileage. But I'm still at 7.8 for the last 1,000 miles. Up till I hit those mountains, I was still 8.4. So I'm loving this truck. This is pretty cool. It's pretty gutless in the mountains, but whatever. I don't care. I don't have the option for the performance shift. I don't know if Prime turns that off, if the trucks weren't ordered with it. I don't really know. Either way, whatever. Doesn't really bother me too much. I tell you what, this new engine brake system they have on these Cascadias is wild, man. I've never had an engine brake that does quite this strong. I'm used to the Series 60, or I had a Mercedes one for a while that was just absolutely useless. But anyway, let me get to my question here. Everything on the truck is fairly standard, but I have something here. I want to see if you guys can tell me what it's for. Let me pause this and flip the camera around for a second. Alright, so pardon me if I'm a little shaky here. I'm getting loaded. They're rocking my truck. But alright, what is this red button for? It is definitely aftermarket. I can see they probably had some kind of button over here, and there was obviously something here. These look like something Prime must have added on. It's obviously, not the standard issue. So I'm guessing it's either for something to do with the APU, to put it on standby or something. Let me just push it. It doesn't really have any effect on the APU that's running. Or is it something to do with your Qualcomm, like the Prime? I don't know if they use Qualcomm or PeopleNet or whatever, but if somebody can throw me information out about what this button is for, I'd really appreciate it. I don't like to go messing with things too much until I know what they are. You could save me from having to take this all apart and see where the heck the wiring is going. That would be helpful. So anybody that drives for Prime or used to drive for Prime, if you can help me out, hey, you're okay in my book. But I think this is my third or fourth. What is it? Today's Friday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I had 3 full days. I'm starting the 4th day in this truck. I don't think I could be more pleased with it. It rides good. Except the power is pretty poor. It's set at 400 horse, and then the higher torque probably around 17 or 1800. I don't know what it's set at, but I think this Detroit assurance thing, the predictive cruise and all that, I think it actually kind of keeps me from getting better fuel mileage, because all the time I'm constantly looking down, and all of a sudden I'm going 57. Well, it's because it's trying to pace whatever traffic is doing, and it's irritating. Then you're speeding back up, blah blah blah. I can see, safety and all that, but I really don't like that, being able to apply the brakes like that on its own. I feel like that's a little bit scary. And something I love about it in this truck is the interior lighting. That's pretty badass, the way it's got the ambient lighting, all the footwell lighting, and then your dome, and then up here, it's pretty slick. I do really like that. And the seat's pretty comfortable for a factory seat. I really miss my my Legacy Silver HD that I have in my Columbia. That seat That seat just works for me. It's not even the fanciest seat. I mean, it's by no means. It was $850, but damn it, it just is perfect for me. The radio, the Bluetooth disconnects from my phone every time I shut the truck off, so I got to go back and redo that every time. It's kind of irritating, but radios are replaceable. Not a big deal. I do like the layout of the switches and everything. What else? I mean, I put all my stuff in here, and I still got cabinets that are empty. So, way to go, Freightliner. I really like that. And incidentally, Freightliner, if you're watching, hey, sponsorship's available. How about that? So I don't know, I might do a couple more videos on this truck as I learn about it, get used to it, and you never know. I tell you what, I wouldn't be afraid to buy another used prime truck. Hell, the economics is right. So I don't know, but yeah, if anybody can tell me about that button, I'd super appreciate it. Everybody take care. We'll see you later.